Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful edging or a trim which is titled Venetian trim, and this is a very bold trim and it is worked in short rows. So there is no need of calculating the exact length that we require in the beginning itself. So we can crochet it to the desired length that we require. For this particular motif I used my Hobby Store premium acrylic Aran yarn, light blue color with shade number 22001, and I use my 4.5 mm clover crochet hook, and the other tools are here before you. Let's go into the video without any delay. Chain 14. Place a double crochet on top of the fourth chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4 into the fourth chain from the hook, not on top. Place 1 DC in each of the next 4. 1 each in each of the next 4. Chain 3, skip 2 and place a single crochet in the third, chain 3, place a double crochet, skip 2, after chaining 3 skip 2, place a double crochet, chain 5 and slip stitch, chain 5. Now having placed double crochet, chain 5 and slip stitch to the first chain and turn. In the chain 5 space that we made here, place 1 single crochet, 2 half doubles, 5 double crochets. And place 1 double crochet on the double crochet here. Now chain 5, skip the next 3 chain spaces and place 1 double crochet. Having placed this DC, chain 5, skip the next 4 DCs, 1, 2, 3, 4 and place a DC on top of the turning chain. Now chain 3, place 4 double crochets into the chain 5 space, and 1 DC on DC. Now chain 3, single crochet under the next chain space, chain 3, 1 double crochet, chain 5, slip stitch on the next DC. 1 double, chain 5 and slip stitch here. So I shall make one more repeat and show you. Now turn your work, place a single crochet, 2 half doubles, five doubles in the chain 5 space. And place 1 double crochet on the double crochet, chain 5, skip the next 3 chain spaces and place a double crochet on double crochet, chain 5, skip the next 4 double crochets and place a double crochet on top of the last stitch. It may be the top of the turning chain. Now turn, chain 3. Chain 3 is considered as a double crochet. Place 4 double crochets in the chain 5 space. This is same as row 3. Four double crochets in chain 5 space, 1 double on this double, chain 3, 1 single in the chain 5 space, chain 3, so 1 double, chain 5, slip stitch on the next DC and turn. So repeat rows 2 and 3 instructions to the desired length of this particular pattern. So continue, I shall continue to a certain length and get back to you. I have repeated rows 2 and 3 to a desirable length. This particular edging is worked in short rows and it can be made into the desired length as per the requirement of the dress or the border or whatever project you are making. Hope you like this simple edging or the trim. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do like and share our videos, subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.